Honda has made a rare admission about its 2026 Formula One power unit. Not everything is going well. HRC boss Koji Watanabe says the project is struggling in multiple areas, but insists there's nothing fatal, and the focus is now on performance and reliability ahead of homologation. That matters because 2026 is a major reset for F1. The new hybrid era pushes toward a roughly 50-50 split between combustion and electric power, making energy management more critical than ever. Honda's return is high stakes. They'll be a work supplier in an exclusive partnership with Aston Martin. Next checkpoint, Honda will unveil its 2026 power unit in Tokyo on January 20, 2026, with a planned live stream.